Welcome to MMC English Hub, your English, your growth.
Here, you learn English in a simple, clear, and real-life way.
Let's learn together and grow every day. Hi everyone, I'm Mia, Practical English Coach. Can you feel that magic in the air? It's officially that time of year again.
And I'm Mark, International ESL Mentor. Christmas 2025 is finally here, and honestly, there is no better way to celebrate than by growing our English and our mindset together.
Exactly. You know, Mark, many people feel overwhelmed by the holiday rush. They worry about gifts, parties, and the perfect decorations. But today, we want to help you find the warmth of connection instead.
And we'll do that by teaching you the real-life English you need to actually talk to people, not just buy things for them. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your traditions, share funny stories, and use advanced expressions like a pro.
So, grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's master some holiday English. Imagine we're sitting on a rooftop garden in the middle of a bustling city. Below us, thousands of lights are twinkling. It's chilly, but we have these thick wool blankets and steaming mugs of peppermint tea. Mark, looking at all that hustle and bustle down there, how are you really feeling?
You know, Mia, looking at the city, I've decided to embrace a slow Christmas this year. Usually I'm running around, but this past weekend I just stayed in. No social media, just me, a good book, and my favorite jazz playlist. It felt essential.
A slow Christmas? That sounds like luxury. My weekend was the complete opposite. It was a sweater emergency. I spent 4 hours digging through boxes just to find my favorite festive sweater.
Oh no, let me guess. Is it the one with the flashing LED reindeer nose again?
Yes, it's ridiculous, it's loud, and it makes my cat very confused. But it makes my neighbors laugh, and in 2025, I think we all need a bit more of that.
True. It's funny how a simple piece of clothing can start a conversation. But speaking of connection, what's the best gift you've ever received? And I don't mean the most expensive one.
That's easy. When I was younger, my grandfather gave me an old, beat-up compass. He told me, "Mia, this won't show you the right path, but it will remind you that you're never truly lost as long as you keep moving." It taught me that presence is the best present. What about you, Mark?
For me, it was a masterclass subscription from my sister. She knew I wanted to learn photography. It wasn't a physical thing, but an experience that helped me grow. It reminded me that the best gifts are the ones that invest in who we are becoming.
I love that. It really fits our your English, your growth vibe. But we can't talk about Christmas without talking about the kitchen chaos. How is your cooking game this year?
Laughing. My family has a very strict rule now. Mark is allowed to make the drinks, but he is not allowed to touch the oven. After the burnt turkey incident of 2023, I've been demoted to official taste tester.
Hey, that's a very prestigious position. In my house, we're moving away from the heavy traditional meals. We're doing a modern feast. Herb-crusted steak, roasted root vegetables, and a massive chocolate lava cake.
Now that sounds like a tradition I can get behind. But you know, Mia, beyond the food and the sweaters, I've noticed something special this year. People are more focused on giving back to the community.
Absolutely. My neighborhood started a secret Santa for seniors. We leave small baskets of treats and handwritten cards for the elderly neighbors who might be alone. It's a small gesture, but the impact is huge.
That's the heart of it, isn't it? Whether it's a video call to family in another country or a simple thank you to the mail carrier, Christmas 2025 is about making people feel seen.
Well said, Mark. It's about building those bridges, one conversation at a time.
Now, let's look at some of the gold expressions we used in our conversation. These will help you sound natural and sophisticated. Hustle and bustle, noun phrase. This describes a place that is very busy and full of activity. Usage, use it for cities, markets, or offices. Pronunciation cue, connect the L in hustle to the A in and, hustle and bustle. Example, I love the hustle and bustle of the Christmas market.
Festive is an adjective. It means looking or feeling bright and cheerful for a holiday. Nuance. It's more than just happy. It implies decorations and a specific holiday mood. Example. The office looks so festive with all those gold ribbons.
Taste tester is a noun. This is a person who tries the food to check the quality. Mark's tip. This is a great witty way to say you don't know how to cook. Example, don't ask me to cook, I'm just the official taste tester.
Presence is the best present. This is a play on words, a pun. Presence, being there, sounds like presents, gifts. Mindset note. Use this when you want to emphasize that spending time is more important than buying things.
Quality time is a noun phrase, time where you give someone your full, undivided attention. Pronunciation cue, stress the word quality. Example, we put our phones away to enjoy some quality time.
It's your turn to speak. Let's do some shadowing. I'll say a sentence slowly first, then at a natural speed. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. The vibe. The house feels so cozy with the festive decorations. The house feels so cozy with the festive decorations. Sentence 2. The mindset. I always look forward to spending quality time with my family. I always look forward to spending quality time with my family. Sentence 3. The witty line. I'm not the chef. I'm just the official taste tester. I'm not the chef. I'm just the official taste tester.
Before we go, here's your MMC takeaway. Presence is the most expensive gift you can give. In our busy world, your focus and your words are powerful tools for growth. Don't just learn English to pass a test. Learn it to build a life you love. Your English, your growth.
We want to hear from you. If you had to choose one, would you rather receive a perfect physical gift or an unforgettable experience? And why? Tell us in the comments.
Before we go, remember, you can learn with us anywhere.
If you want to see the vocabulary and spelling of everything we discussed, check out our visual lesson on YouTube.
But if you're busy driving or preparing your holiday meal, switch to our audio podcast to keep practicing your listening on the go.
And dear friends, this lesson is actually the final stop on our Christmas Journey series. It has been an honor sharing these warm moments and real English lessons with you throughout the holidays.
But the journey doesn't stop here. To help you start the new year 2026 with a breakthrough, we've prepared a brand new series called the Smart Learner System.
In our next series, we'll explore dead time microlearning, showing you how to turn tiny gaps in your day, like waiting for coffee or commuting, into powerful English practice.
And we'll look at minimum viable English, focusing on the core skills you need to sound professional and clear without feeling overwhelmed by too much grammar.
We want 2026 to be the year you truly master English and master your life.
Before you head off to celebrate, remember that you can find the full visual versions on YouTube and review everything on our podcast while you travel.
Check the show notes for the links to our new 2026 roadmap.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone.
See you in the next The Smart Learner System series.
Thanks for learning with MMC English Hub.
Every lesson helps you get better. Master English, master your life.
Like, subscribe, and stay with the journey.
See you in the next video.